Hey guys, welcome back to the Snyder house. My name is Keith.
My name is AJ.
And today we're going to do something fun. So if you're homeschooling your kids or you just want a project for your kids because they are bored, what are we doing today, AJ?
Pastels.
Pastels. Let's see what we're doing, guys. As you can see here, we got his pastels. We got a book. This book teaches us how to draw a
Tennis ball.
What book is this called? You guys want to pick this up? It is Language, Arts, and Literature.
Good and Beautiful.
We're going to be doing this pastel tennis ball. And you need items. You need these pastel paper. Get it at your local Hobby Lobby, or I can find it. Put a description below. For all these items, you got your pastels, you got your cotton balls and swabs. You'll see why we use this. We got Kleenex and a cup. Yeah. So let's get started. First, we're going to be drawing our cup. Right, AJ?
Yes. So you put the cup down and then you just draw around it. There.
Simple. Or perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect circle. Okay, AJ, what is up next?
With your pencil, lightly draw a wavy line across the circle as shown, then add a matching wavy line next to it.
Alright, let's see what you're gonna do.
Okay, so kind of like that, and then another one under it. Next step, lightly color the circle with light yellow green pastel, leaving the space between the wavy lines white. Light green. Now I got my green pastel and then let's color it in, but not the wavy line.
Okay guys, for me, I'm gonna do blue and orange. It doesn't.
Looks like the Pepsi sign.
It does.
Okay, next, use a paper towel wrapped over your fingertip to blend the yellow-green color. Be careful not to blend it with the white areas. We got tissues, and just wrap it around your finger. Okay, I think that's good.
It's my turn.
Use a black or gray pastel to lightly trace the top wavy line. Okay.
And I'm gonna do gray.
Next step, use a cotton swab to carefully blend the dark line downward into the white wavy line. Cotton swab, and then we just blend it down.
Same here, so you're gonna take this cotton swab.
Use the black or gray pastel to make tiny dots in the areas shown. Pay attention to the areas that should be left without dots. Here, that's
Okay, and I will do dark blue dots because I am different, so.
Next step. Carefully blend the dark dots into the ball with a paper towel. Use a dark brown pastel to lightly draw some imperfect lines by the bottom left portion of the ball. This will make a shadow. Okay, so dark brown. So imperfect, so like really bad lines lightly.
Okay, next up, buddy.
Blend a shadow with a paper towel. Step. Lightly add green to the shaded areas of the ball.
Shaded areas.
Finally, blend the green into the ball. When you are satisfied with your blending, spray your art project with a coat of fixative spray and let it dry. You're all done.
Alright, AJ, are you done?
Yep.
Let's see it. Alright, does that look like the picture or what? I don't know which one's the real picture. I can't tell. What an artist. And that's how you do pastels at home.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll see you next time on Homeschooling with Dad. Just kidding, Mom does most of it, but it is fun. Adults get to do it with the kids, so you both get to have a fun experience. So this is mine, and then let's see AJ's. Put it next to each other. Boom.
Oh.
This is way better, guys. Way better. Mine is like I love the Broncos, so it's just like the Broncos.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit those bell notifications for more videos. Yeah. Praise the Lord. So